Hi, I'm Daniel. I would say before the workshop, I literally had no idea what a college essay was. So, what the workshop did for me personally was one, told me exactly what that college essay was and helped me understand what the college admissions officers are looking for in these essays. And I think that's when I really started to kind of have a big breakthrough in what I wanted to talk about. And if you already know what the college essay is, great, then you'll just skip that first step and go right to the second step of understanding what to do. So I want to go to college. I'm kind of undecided because I'm a sophomore, but I've been looking at a lot of colleges in like engineering colleges on the West Coast. So I'd say the activities were really important for me because those are really what helps me understand what the admissions officers were looking for, because it was like you can explain like, oh, they're really looking for you to be very show like an example of something you did that they would be impressed with, and show really good writing skills and this and that. But then actually going through and writing a piece that was similar to that, and then writing using these different emotions and techniques, that's what I feel like really did the illuminating for me of what I needed to be focusing on in my essay. After the workshop, I haven't applied to college. I'm a sophomore, but I would say I have a good solid idea of what I'm going to write about, and I may or may not already have a topic, which is crazy since I'm not even looking at writing college essays yet. But I think that's really cool, and I'm really thankful to the people at Write the World for taking me in that step in the right direction really early in my college career. So thank you so much.